In a world where fossil fuels rule the transportation industry, there is a constant search for oil, which leads to the increased risk of environmental harm and economic struggle for society. Our proposed solution is an electric-powered, single-passenger vehicle that converts human power exerted by the user through foot pedals into torque transmitted to the rear tires. After numerous model versions and analytical testing, our final design was found, and we could begin the building process. Building the chassis involved mounting and utilizing tubing benders, of which we had to fabricate the stand, which we mounted to a concrete footing. Tubing notchers provided the perfect fit of each tubing member in order to get a strong weld. Once all members of the chassis were tack welded, the long process of welding could begin. With the chassis fully built, the rear end was mounted, which entailed customizing third-party components such as the axle mounts, as well as creating our own components from scratch, such as the wheel hubs and motor sprocket, which we 3D printed to test the fitment before machining is done. We ordered a motor and controller from a third-party source, as well as the battery. Testing of these components had to be done, including wiring up the whole system to ensure there is variable throttle control to integrate with the human-supplied power. Here's the vehicle as it sits now, awaiting placement of the motor, seat, steering wheel, and other various ergonomic components, which we hope can be continued next year.